Better summarize. I need help with kids and puppies. I have a 3-year-old and a 9-month-old human babies. My 5-month-old GSD and
It's funny that we have to specify
her
that.
house line is dangerous. She's rough and rowdy. Please help. Now, this is a common question or a conversation we have with, and we actually have a couple of instructors right now with little ones as well. They have puppies. So, I mean, they would probably go to great lengths answering this question. But what do we normally suggest to those people?
Separation, and obviously you're not going to put your kids in a crate, put them away.
Right.
They obviously get the right of the house. But yeah, it can be really difficult, especially if you have a house line on and the puppy moving around. But it's going to be even more mayhem if you have a 5-month-old puppy that's not on leash and 2 young kids moving around, because if the puppy is jumping on them or is nipping or biting or stealing toys or whatever they're doing, and you don't have a leash attached, you're not going to be able to safely and effectively reduce that behavior. So separation is going to be really important. When the kids are out and doing things, then, puppy maybe needs to be on the other side of a baby gate or maybe in a crate, or when the puppy is out with the kids, maybe the leash needs to be in your hand for now until you're able to, have a little bit more training. You got to get this puppy some training as well. So, 5 months old, it's ready now to work on response to name and being on a loose leash and learning about not jumping up and a leave it command. All of those things are so important to be really focusing on so that you have some skills to use when this puppy is around the kids. The most important thing to bide you the time between now and the puppy maybe isn't trained to when the puppy is try not to let the puppy rehearse bad behavior. So you need to really diminish the roughhousing or the nipping and the biting. And really the only way to do that is to immobilize the puppy with the leash or to do more separation to allow you to not have the behavior rehearse, because then it's going to be a lot harder to fix. But I do not envy you having 2 young kids and a puppy. That is definitely, that's a tall order to go for sure. Sometimes puppies are going to take the back seat a little bit. That's just how it's going to be. Don't feel guilty. Just do the best you can.
You've just watched some content from our main channel, McCann Dog Training. And if you'd like some more training information on this topic, click that card right there. If this is your first time on our Clips channel and you really enjoy the short form content, make sure you subscribe. Hit that button right there. On that note, I'm Ken. Happy training.